Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I finally got my S&B air intake for my 23 Ram 2500. Ever since I've gotten into diesel trucks, which was I guess, I don't know, 4 years ago, maybe 5 years ago, I can't even remember. When I first bought my 2019 Cummins, I always wanted an S&B air intake, but I never got one. And since I've got my new truck, that was the first thing I really wanted to do, was to get the S&B air intake. Well, here it is, I guess going on 2 years now, and I'm finally starting to do some stuff to my truck, and I finally ordered it. But the only thing that sucked about it was I had to wait like a month and a half for it to get shipped, but it's finally here. So here it is. I'm already opening up the box, obviously, but it's just everything that comes in here. Like I said, the only thing that sucked about it is I had to wait like a month and a half for everything to get shipped out, because it was on back order, but everything seems to be here, packaged really good. So I'm actually about to head to my buddy's house to put this on my truck. I'm not going to do like a step-by-step video on putting this on my truck, because there's plenty of videos on YouTube showing how to install it. This is basically just a before and after. So I'm going to go get a couple videos of riding around in my truck and stuff like that. That way you can see before. Then after we put this on, I will do some videos after. The main reason I got this was, one, hopefully it will help with fuel mileage. Hopefully. Then two, I just want to hear a turbo whistle a bit louder, and that's basically about it. So I'm gonna go to my buddy's house and put this on, and yeah. Okay, so here's just me driving normal and getting on about quarter throttle. And I will downshift just a couple. So here's third. And I'll go back to normal. So this is just, like I said, before I put the air intake on. So if your truck is stock, you'll know how it sounds before. Okay, so a minute ago I got some in-cab footage. So now I'm down here in this big parking lot, and I'm just gonna get some footage from what it sounds like from the outside. So I'm gonna set my camera up and just do like a little drive-by, basically, just to let y'all hear what it sounds like before I put the intake on. So let me set the camera up and we'll do that. So here it is installed. It only took us about 30 minutes to put it in. It wasn't really too bad. Look over my engine bay though, it is kind of dirty, but it does look really good. I did leave the side piece out. They said you can leave it out or you can put it in, it don't really matter. But I've read online and stuff to leave it out if you want to hear the whistle more and whatnot. But so far I enjoy it. I'm going to go get some driving videos of inside and outside. Okay, so here it is inside. You can definitely tell a difference with the engine brake side. It whistles a lot louder. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera or not, but here I'm in third gear. Then engine brake. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear it on camera, but in person you can tell a dramatic difference. And to go on with the S&B air intake. So I just got back to the house. I played back the video of me like driving down the road after I put the air intake on. You can't really hear it in the video. It is kind of windy and stuff, but you can hear a difference inside and outside, especially on the engine brake. And when you're really getting on it, you can really hear it whistle a lot more. But I say if you want an air intake, definitely go with the S&B. It was a pretty simple install, and I'm happy with the results. I haven't drove it enough to tell any difference in like the miles per gallon, so hopefully that will go up, but we'll see in a couple weeks, I guess. But that'll do it for this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.